Looking for a super easy, fun, and healthy recipe for all of those beautiful kiwis in season? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where great tasting food and healthy ingredients come together to support you on your health journey. Today we're going to be making cinnamon chocolate kiwi pops. Yum! Let's begin with the star of our recipe today, the simple, beautiful kiwi, which is high in vitamin C and antioxidants. This is so easy. All you need to do is take your knife and slice off both ends. And take your spoon, and you want to slide it right into the fruit as close to the skin as possible. And then rotate the spoon around the peel, and your fruit will pop right out. Look at that, gorgeous. Repeat this for all of the rest of your kiwis. You know, I was just reading this morning about the power of the kiwi, this beautiful green fruit. And what I was reading is that because kiwis are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, they may actually help with asthma and reducing the wheezing in children. And I just love reading those little tidbits of information that, you know, just real food is so powerful for your health and for those that you love. And it can be so fun and so easy to make healthy recipes, just like the one today. I'm so excited to try, and I'll definitely have my kids try it too when they're here. Once you have all of your kiwis peeled, take your knife and slice them in half. It will make them about a 1-inch thick round. And then take a popsicle stick and stick it right in the side all the way down, just like this. And then place it on a wax paper lined baking sheet. Now we're ready to place these beautiful kiwi pops into the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours. While your kiwis are freezing, let's make the chocolate coating. In a double boiler or makeshift one, it's so easy. Just take a pan, fill it about 1 inch with water. You're going to bring that to a boil, and then place a glass bowl right on top, being sure that all of the sides are sealed. In your double boiler, let's go ahead and add 2 3-ounce dark chocolate bars. I am actually using the Lily's brand because it's only sweetened with stevia. So it's really great if you're on a keto or low glycemic diet, or just want to watch your sugar intake. 1/2 cup of coconut oil. You will notice that mine is melted. I live in Austin and it's so hot right now, so if yours is not liquefied, that is totally fine. 1/2 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, which comes from the bark of tropical cinnamon trees. And Ceylon cinnamon may actually help with brain function, like memory. It also helps support healthy blood sugar levels. Our last ingredient is optional. 1 scoop of our Organixx Clean Source Collagens powder. And collagen is one of the most abundant proteins that you can find in the body. Our collagens powder may help with healthy digestion, joints, hair, nails, skin, and I love adding it to recipes whenever I can because it is tasteless. I'm going to add in 1 scoop. Melt your chocolate, stirring frequently. Once your chocolate is all melted, set it aside to cool. Okay, we're ready for the last step. I transferred my chocolate over into this container just to make it a little bit easier for dipping. Take your frozen kiwi, dip it in the chocolate, bring it on out, and that is it. It is so easy. Place it back down on your wax paper. And you may want to stick these back into the freezer for just a minute, or you probably could eat it right away once the chocolate hardens, as it should, since these kiwis are nice and cold. Let's give these kiwi pops a try. I'm going to bring in Brianna, my love. Would you like to try a little taste and tell me what you think?
Okay.
Nice crunch, very nice. Couple things I want to add in real quick. I probably would slice those kiwis a little bit thinner just to make them a little bit easier to eat. I also had a lot of chocolate left, so I double dipped them. Once I dipped it in and the chocolate hardened pretty quickly, then I dipped it in again. And you can also drizzle the chocolate on top, or you could have more kiwi to add in. So what do you think?
This is really good. I really like how the chocolate crunches.
They're delicious, they're super easy to make, really fun probably to make with your kids as well. Great summertime food. I hope you give this a try and then let us know what you think. Thanks for being with me today. My wish for you is an abundance of health, wealth, and fun in the kitchen. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for a new recipe every week. I'll see you in the kitchen.